Christmas has arrived at IKEA. Let's see what's new this year. A little sparkle goes a long way. IKEA always nails simple festive style. So many beautiful new ornaments this year. Love the cozy natural tones. These glass baubles feel so elegant yet perfectly minimal. Perfect for creating a Scandinavian-style Christmas corner. The mix of red, cream, and wood tones feels timeless. I love how IKEA blends traditional details with modern design. Warm lights make everything feel instantly magical. Their new IKEA collection gives that cozy glow without the hassle. Affordable, practical, but still so festive. That's what IKEA does best. IKEA really captured the cozy spirit of Christmas this year. Which item was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for joining me on this IKEA Christmas tour. Don't forget to like, subscribe, so you never miss festive inspiration. Wishing you a cozy and magical holiday season.